Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. This is your host Qasim Admir, and you are watching Innovative Cyclopedia. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. In this video we are discussing about how you can complete your 4000 hour watch time. We're discussing about that. So before starting the video, if you are visiting my channel for the first time and did not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the future updates. So this video is very important for those who did not complete their watch time yet. So just how we can complete the watch time, so we'll discuss about that in this video. So for that you don't need to buy any VPN services or any RDP services. So we just use the browser, and using the browser we will complete our 4000 watch hours in 7 days. Okay, so now let's start how we can complete our 4000 watch time and how we can configure the browser, how we can download the browser. So let's start. So for downloading the browser, we just go to the Chrome browser, and here we will write Tor browser. Okay, now as you can see, the first URL, which is download Tor project, click on it. And as you can see, there are 4 types: download for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux, and for Android. So we are using Windows operating system, so I'm going to download for Windows. Just simple click here for download for Windows, and the downloading will be start. Okay, so as you can see, the downloading is going to be started, but I have already downloaded the Tor browser, so I'm not going to download this. So just simple click on cancel, and from here I will open the Tor browser. Okay, so just go down, let me check where it is. So as you can see, this is the Tor browser. Okay, so now I am going to copy the Tor browser to the desktop. So I have copied the Tor browser on my desktop. Okay, so just simple double click on it and click on OK. So this is the destination folder where my Tor browser is going to be installed. So I am not going to change anything here because I'm installing the Tor browser for the first time. So if you are going to install the Tor browser for the second time, then we will change here. Okay, so now just simply click on install. So you need to watch the videos full, because if you miss any step in this tutorial, then your Tor browser will not be work. So just simple uncheck this and click finish. So as you can see, my Tor browser has been installed here. Now I'm going to install another. So in this video I'm just installed the Tor browser 5 times, and if you want to install multiple times, then it depends on you. So how much you want to install, if you want to install 100 times, then you may, it depends on you how Tor browser that you want to install. Okay, just simple click on again here, click on OK. So that time I'm going to change the destination folder. Okay, here I will write 2 because because this is the second time installation, so I'm using Tor browser 2. Okay, so we'll wait here. This video will goes long because I'm going to describe you step by step. So if you miss any step, then please comment below, and if you are facing any issue, then please ping me, so I will help you to resolve your issue. Okay, so just simple uncheck this and click on finish. Again click on Tor browser. Now change the destination, Tor browser 3, install. Okay, uncheck this, finish. Now again click on Tor browser. Okay, change the destination to 4 and install. Okay, uncheck these and finish. Again, we are going to install the Tor browser. For that we write 5. Okay, uncheck these and finish. So the installation process of our browser has been done. Now we are going to configure our Tor browser. So for the configuration, I'm going to start from Tor browser 2 because my first browser already has been configured. So now I'm going to I'm starting the configuration from the Tor browser 2. So we don't need to change anything in Tor browser 1. Okay, so we start the configuration from the Tor browser 2. Just simply click on it and start. Sorry for that, we need to start first. Okay, Tor browser. So this is the compulsory step. If you are not going to start the Tor browser for the first time, then in the some configuration file you have been missed. Okay, just simply click on connect. It will take too much time if your connection is not good, and if your connection is good, then it will not taking anymore. Okay, so we will wait for it, and as you can see, it is the status of our browser is in connecting state. Okay, so we will wait for it. Okay, as you can see, it is connected. Okay, so now after connection, that just simply close it. Okay, now go to your second browser and we will repeat the same process that we have followed in the first browser. Okay, so simple click on connect, and the status is in connecting. Okay, so the status has been changed to connected. Now just simply close it. Go to your Tor browser 3, start browser, and simple we are going to click on connect button. Okay, status is in the connecting state, so we'll wait for change it to connected. So let's see what happened here. Sometimes it's take time because it's not fetching the connection, so that's why it's taking time. If when the connection has been established, then it will show here connected. Okay, so don't worry about that if it takes time. So I'm going to pause the video here, and if the connection is established, then I will continue. Okay, status has been connected. Now simple close it. Now go to your browser number 4 and start to browse. Okay, so we also change the connecting state to it is a compulsory step that for the first time you need to establish the connection. Okay, if you don't do that, then you will miss some configuration file which is available in the Tor browser folders. Okay, so for the first time you must connect the Tor browser. If you are facing this kind of issue, then just simply click on cancel button and again click on connect button. Okay, so we'll wait here. I think my connection is a little bit slow, so that's why it's taking time. Okay, it's connected. Now close it and go to the browser number 5, and we will follow the same process that we followed in the other browsers. Click on connect and let's see what happened. Okay, it's connected. Okay, so now close it. Okay, so we will start the configuration process. So now we don't change anything in the first browser, okay, Tor browser. So we start the configuration from the second browser. So just simply click on it and click on start browser. Now here you can write about config. Click on accept the risk and continue. So here we need to add we need to write some codes. So for the codes I have give this document in the description, so you can download it and change when. Okay, now select the media autoplay and paste it here. And as you can see the default value, which is 1, just simple click on the pencil icon and change it to 0 and click on here. Okay, so now we change the control port. So for that, just simple copy it and paste it here. So as you can see the control port, which is 9151, so we need to change it to 9052. 2 means this is my second browser, so that's why I have selected the 2 here. If your browser if the browser is the third one, then we will select here 9053. Okay, so now simple click on yes. Okay, now change the sock ports. And sock ports from 9152 because 2 is my browser. Okay, so the configuration from the browser side has been done. Now close it and go to the Tor browser 2 folder. Click on browser, click on Tor browser, data, Tor, and then click on Torek defaults. Okay, right click on it and open it with Notepad. Okay, now we need to add this code. Just simple copy it, Control C, and then you need to paste it here after the snowfall-client.exe, and now here we will paste it. So it is already a default one that I have selected in the browser, so you don't need to change the sock ports here. Okay, 9152 and control port, which is also is 9052, that I have selected in the browser too. Now click on Ctrl+S and save it. Close it, and the configuration in the second browser has been completed. Now we are moving forward to the third browser. Start it, and here we will write about config, accept the risk and continue, and now copy the code, this one, and paste it here. Change the value from 0 to 1, sorry, from 1 to 0. Now we are going to change the control port, and change the value from 90253, because this is my third browser, so that's why I have enter here 9053. And change the SocksPort also, which is 9153. Okay, the configuration from the browser side has been done. Now we go to the browser folder, Tor browser, data, Tor, and then select here, right click on it and edit with notepad. Now enter this configuration at the end of the snowflake/car.exe, and change the SocksPort, because we have selected in the third browser, which is 953, and the control port, which is 91053. Okay, click on Control S and close the notepad. So the configuration from the third browser has been successfully completed, and now we will start the configuration in the fourth browser. Click on Start to Browser and About, Config, accept this, continue, and copy the code. Change the value from 1 to 0. And also we need to change the control port. Okay, so at that time we need to change the value to 9054, because this is my fourth browser, so that's why I have changed the value to 9054. And now click change the SocksPorts. (9154). Okay, the configuration from the browser side has been completed. Now go to the browser folder, browse, Tor browser, data, Tor, and right click on it, edit with notepad. Now copy this configuration and paste it here. Change the value from 91254 and 9129054. Click save, close it, and close it. Now open the Tor browser 5, start, and also change the value here, about/config. Copy this code and paste it here. Change the value from 1 to 0, enter. Also change the control port. (9055), and SocksPorts also we need to change. Which is 9155. Okay, the configuration from the browser side has been done. Now go to the folder, browser, Tor, data, Tor, and right click on it, open with notepad and paste the configuration here, this one. Guys, remember, don't need to add the space. If there is any space, then your code will not be work. Okay, just simple change the 91255 and here also save it and close. So the configuration in all browser has been completed. Now we need to run our browsers. Okay, Tor browser, this is my first browser, so need to connect. Just simply click on connect button, and as you can see, my first browser has been connected successfully. Now I'm going to open the second browser. Click start Tor browser and connect it. So it is also connected. Now I'm going to open my third browser. Start Tor browser, connect it. So it is connected. Okay, now I'm going to open my fourth browser. It is also connected. Now I'm going to open my fifth browser. Start and click on connect. So it is also connected. It means that my all browser is working fine and the configuration is good. Okay, so if you face any issue here, then comment below. Then I comment below and I will help you in this scenario. Okay, so now how you can complete your watch time? Just simple click here and search youtube.com. or just simple paste your YouTube video URL here and start the videos. So first let me check you one more thing. Let me check my IP. What is my IP? Because I have connected multiple browsers, so every browser has changed their IP. Okay, so what is my, oh, sorry for that. I have opened 5 Tor browser with multiple IP addresses. So let me check what IP that I get here. As you can see, I get the IP which is IPv6. Okay, now let me check in my second browser. So we'll wait here. As you can see, the IP which is different, it is IPv6 and it is IPv6. As you can see, 2A03, it is 2603, and as you can see, I am getting the IP v4. Okay, now let me check in my third browser. And as you can see, it is also a different IP, IPv6. Okay, So our browser has a different IPs. Okay, so let me minimize this and in simple go to the YouTube and search your channel here. Let's suppose this is your video. Okay, I'm just going to click it. So we will wait for it. It takes too much time. Okay, click on got it. Now click on skip it.
Quick! Name the fastest growing states in the country. Florida, Texas, Colorado, yes, yes, yes. But would you guess North Carolina? It's true. Due to a moderate climate and a relatively low cost of living and tons of jobs in many areas,
This video, if you want to change your IP, just
it is booming, fella.
So that's the video.
Lots of people thinking about moving here or already have moved here.
Also click on a bell icon for the future.
You're one of them.
To stop the video,
Places like the Raleigh metro area and Charlotte.